In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales pipeline in Airtable from scratch. We'll start by opening Airtable on your desktop. Log in, then create a new base and give it a clear name like Sales Pipeline, or open an existing base you already use for managing growth. Beginning with a dedicated base keeps everything tidy and makes it easier to scale. Before building anything, map your sales process. List the stages your leads move through, how you capture and source them, how you qualify them, when proposals or negotiations happen, how you close the deal, and what post-sale follow-up looks like. This simple outline becomes your blueprint, ensuring the base captures every stage and the critical details that drive decisions. Now set up your core tables. Create a leads table for contact details and sources. Add deals or opportunities to track each deal, who it's tied to, and the potential value. Build a sales team table so you can assign owners. Use an activities or tasks table to log calls, emails, and meetings. Finally, create clients or accounts for converted leads and ongoing relationships. Link these tables together so a deal connects to a lead, related tasks, and a client record. Those links give you full visibility from first touch to closed one. Quick note, there's a link to Airtable at the top of the description. Use it to open the website or grab the app so you can follow along step by step. With your structure in place, define consistent fields. Use single-line text for names and companies. Add a single select for deal stage with options like new, qualified, proposal, closed won, and closed lost. Use collaborator to assign a sales rep, date fields for lead creation, next activity, and closing date. Currency for deal value, attachments for proposals or contracts, and a notes or long text field for conversation history. Standardized fields make reporting and automation reliable. Create views to manage the pipeline. Keep an all deals view for a complete table. Add by stage views to focus on each step, a high value view filtered above your threshold, an assigned to me view for each rep, and won or lost views for closed deals. These views help your team zero in on priorities. Set up automations to reduce manual work. Notify reps when a lead is assigned, send reminders for upcoming follow-ups, update a deal stage when a related task is completed, and trigger alerts for overdue or high-value opportunities. Apply conditional logic with formulas and conditional fields to highlight at-risk or overdue deals. Roll up total value by stage and flag high-priority leads that need immediate attention. Test everything with sample leads, deals, tasks, and clients. Confirm automations fire. Views filter correctly, and priority fields highlight the right items. Finally, maintain and optimize. Review tables, views, automations, and formulas regularly, and adjust as your sales process evolves. That continuity keeps your pipeline effective as you grow. That's how you can create a sales pipeline in Airtable to track leads, deals, and client growth efficiently. Thanks for watching.